In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products to your Shopify store. So the first thing you want to do is just go and log in to your Shopify dashboard, and over in the left-hand side, we need to click on products. From this page, go and select add product. And now we can begin creating our first product on our Shopify website. So we're just going to start by giving a title to our product. So for my demonstration, I'm going to type in red t-shirt. You can then go and add a description of your product. If you're not too sure what to write here, you can use ChatGPT. You can also use this built-in generative text. And what you can do is go and type in some keywords to this field and click on generate. And this will use AI to generate a description for your product. Now, the next thing you'll need to do is go and add some product images. So you can press on the upload new button and simply go and upload an image of your product. We're then going to scroll down to category and click on the drop down arrow. Go and select the best fit category for your product. You can then come down to pricing, and this is where we go and set a price for our product. For the compare at price, this is when you want to offer discounts to your items. So let's say, for example, this t-shirt was originally £35. If you put the higher number in the compare at price, then this is going to show a discount on your product and it's now £20. So this is essentially £15 off the t-shirt. You can decide whether you want to charge tax on the product. I'm going to leave this unchecked. You can then decide whether you want to add a cost per item to the listing. Now this is just for your own personal use. Customers won't be able to see this information, and this is just a way to help work out your profits and your margins. I'm just going to leave this blank and come down to inventory. Now if you're selling a physical product with a limited number of items, you want to make sure track quantity is turned on, and then we can go and set the amount of product we have for this item. So let's say I set mine to 100. When someone buys something from my store, this is automatically going to be reduced down to 99. You can also choose to continue selling the stock when it's out of stock. So when it gets to 0, you can decide if you still want to continue selling this. If your product has a item number or a barcode, you can go and enter that here. Now, if you come down to shipping, this is where you can go and set shipping rates. So if you want to charge your customer for shipping fees, then you can go and do that here. We're then going to scroll down to variants. Now, if you have different variations of your product, such as different colors or different sizes, then you can go and click on this plus icon and you can go and add the variation type. So let's say I wanted to add different sizes for my t-shirts. I can go and select all of the different sizes that I have for sale. Once you've done that, go and press done, and then you can go and set how much is available for that particular size. You can also change the price for each variant if you need to. If you click on the plus icon next to that particular variant, you can also upload an image for that particular variant. So when someone selects that from your store, it's going to automatically flick over to that photo so they can see an image of that particular variant. You can then scroll down to category meta fields, and this is where you can go and add some more information about your product. And finally, we have the search engine listing. So this is how your product is going to be found in Google. So you can click on the edit button here and you can create a title and a meta description for your product. And just like before, if you're not sure what to put for the description, I'd recommend using ChatGPT. Now once you've finished, hit save at the bottom of this page. So now what we can do is come back over to products in the left hand side, and you can see here is our first product that we have listed for sale. Now the next thing you may want to do is go and add some categories or some collections for your products. Now to do that, click on collections in the left hand side, and by default you'll have this homepage one here. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that and press delete collection. You can then click on add collection, and then we can go and set up a category. So if this is a clothing store, you may want to categorize this by t-shirts, hats, trousers, and that kind of thing. So I'm just going to call this t-shirts, and just like before, we can also enter a description. You can add an image to your category by selecting add image in the right hand side, and for the collection type, I'd recommend setting this to manual. You can then go and add products by searching the product that you want to add, and you can simply check the box like so and click on add. And once you're finished with this, press save in the bottom right hand side. And now we've set up a category and also our first product. Now you can add as many products as you like by clicking the add product button again, and you can essentially go through all of the same steps to add multiple products. Now what I'm going to do is click on online store from the left hand side. You can then click on themes and then go and select customize next to your theme. You can then scroll down the page and you should find your products on this homepage. Now to change this, you can simply click on the element. You can click on the drop down next to collection, and this is where we can either change the collection or the category to the products that we want to show, or you can just remove this collection entirely, depending on if you want to show your products on the homepage. Now once you finish with this, go and hit save, and that's how to add products in Shopify. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.